Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Antutu benchmark for PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Antutu. We'll be getting the official link, and here we will be having a download option. Click it, and if you get this overlapping interface, you can simply zoom out a bit, and here we'll be having multiple downloads. So for example, after minimizing the zoom, here you can see I am having it for iOS, this is for Linux, and I guess this is for Android, and down we are having for Windows 64-bit and Windows ARM. I'm going with Windows 64, so just click here and the setup file will be getting downloaded. Just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it and we will be getting the installation guide. If you want to change the path, you can click here and change it. Just click on I agree and click on install. This will take some time, just be patient. And once the installation is complete, just check on this and click on finish. So we also will be having a desktop shortcut, and here we can perform multiple tests. As you can see here, screen test, grayscale test and stress test. So if you want to test these, you can do. So for this video, I'm going to perform a specific CPU test, and I'm also going to perform a general performance stability test. So to do those things, here we are having stress test, right? Click it, and to the top we are having performance, and I am getting this benchmark numbers because I have already ran this test. So it's giving me the test for the CPU, the RAM, GPU and the UX. So you can simply start the test. Let me also start it, and we will be taken to an interface. So this particular test will take some time. You may also get some audio. So first it will test the GPU. That is why you are seeing those cool 3D rendered things on the screen. After that it will test the memory and CPU and the UX. So in case if you are having any fault in your GPU or RAM or CPU, the test will literally crash. And in my case, I had an issue in my PC with a faulty processor, and it will pass the GPU and the RAM test, but whenever the CPU test begins, it will just crash. So by this way, we can even find if there is any issue with our hardware. If you don't have any issues, the test will complete and you will get the benchmark for the performance. So just be patient till it gets to 100%. So once it has done rendering those 3D screens, as you can see here, it says GPU is complete, and next it will test for memory, and next it will test for CPU and the UX. So just be patient till then. So once the testing has been completed, we will be getting the score for each and every component like this. And next we are also having the stress testing. So if you click on the stress, we'll be having this stress testing. This is specifically for CPU. So if I click it, and as you can see, it's going to give different CPU load. Okay, so you can just test it out in case if you want to test your power consumption and abilities of your CPU. Okay, so this is also another way to test your CPU. In case if it's bad or something, you can just try this stress testing. And next here we are having toolbox, and these are the other tests that is available: GPU performance, screen test, color bar test, grayscale test. So basically you can just play around with these. Okay, and that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.